Are you interested in making money online? Have you ever dreamt of earning from the comfort of your home? In a world that's increasingly digital, the concept of making money online isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality for many, and you could be next. Imagine a platform where you can earn just by completing simple tasks, playing games, or even giving feedback on products. An online world where every task completed equates to coins in your pocket. Sounds intriguing, right? Welcome to the world of freecash.com. Today, we will provide a detailed guide on how to start making money on freecash.com. So, what is freecash.com? It's an online platform where you can earn money by completing simple tasks. Picture this, you're comfortably seated at your favorite spot, maybe sipping on your favorite beverage, and you're earning money. How? By doing things you probably already do online. At freecash.com, there are various tasks you can engage in to earn coins. These tasks range from downloading apps, taking surveys, to trying out new products. And the best part? Most of these tasks are easy peasy, typically taking between 5 to 10 minutes to complete. That's right, in the time it takes to make a quick sandwich or brew a pot of coffee, you could have already earned some coins. But what do these coins mean, you ask? Well, for every task you complete, you're rewarded with a certain amount of coins. Think of it as a virtual pat on the back for your efforts. And these aren't just any coins, oh no. They are the currency of freecash.com, with 1,000 coins equating to $1. So, essentially, the more tasks you complete, the more coins you earn, and the more money you make. It's as simple as that. And with a variety of tasks available, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast eager to download and explore new apps, a survey lover who enjoys sharing your opinions, or a product tester always on the lookout for the next big thing, freecash.com has got you covered. But that's not all. There's more to freecash.com than just completing tasks. So, how exactly will you be earning money on freecash.com? Let's discuss that now. Contrary to what its name might suggest, freecash.com is not about getting money for nothing. It's about earning money by performing simple tasks, which can range from downloading apps to taking surveys and trying out new products. Each of these tasks has a specific number of coins assigned to it. The more tasks you complete, the more coins you accumulate. Now you might be wondering, what's the deal with these coins? Well, these coins are essentially your earnings. They are the currency of freecash.com. Every task you complete rewards you with a certain amount of these coins. Are you following so far? Great. Now, let's talk about the conversion rate. For every 1,000 coins that you earn, you get $1. Yes, you heard it right. 1,000 coins equal to $1. It might seem like a lot, but remember, the tasks are simple and quick to complete, so the coins can quickly add up. And here's the real kicker. Once you've earned enough coins, you don't have to wait for days or weeks to get your money. Freecash.com offers instant cash outs. That's right. You can convert your coins into real cash and have it in your hands instantly. And the best part? You can cash out instantly. Are you a gaming enthusiast? Freecash.com has something for you as well. It's not just about completing tasks or taking surveys, there's a fun side to this platform too. And yes, it's gaming. Now you might be wondering, how can I earn money by playing games? Well, it's quite simple and enjoyable. Freecash.com offers a variety of games that you can play. Each game you indulge in offers you the opportunity to earn coins. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn while you enjoy your favorite games. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You're not only enjoying the game but also making some cash on the side. But that's not all. Freecash.com values your opinion. They want to know what you think about their games. They want your feedback on the products and services you try. So, every time you play a game or try a product or service, don't forget to drop your feedback. It's a great way to earn additional coins. Imagine this. You're playing your favorite game, you're enjoying every moment, and then you're getting paid for it. It's like a dream come true for every gaming enthusiast out there. So whether you're a fan of puzzles, action games, or strategy games, there's something for everyone. And the best part? The more games you play, the more coins you earn. So, you can even make money while having fun. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. In fact, one of the most compelling aspects of freecash.com is its vibrant and supportive community. This isn't just a place to earn a bit of extra cash. It's a thriving ecosystem of like-minded individuals, all drawn together by the shared goal of making the most of the opportunities the platform provides. Imagine this. You're trying to complete a task but you're not quite sure how to go about it. What do? Well, you simply reach out to the community. There's a good chance someone has been in your shoes and can provide you with the guidance you need. This collective wisdom is invaluable and can significantly speed up your progress. Not only that, but the community itself becomes a source of motivation. Seeing others succeed, sharing your own victories, and even the friendly competition that emerges, can be incredibly inspiring. It's a dynamic environment that encourages you to keep going, to keep earning, and to keep improving. And let's not forget about the camaraderie that develops. You'll find that you're not just interacting with others for the sake of completing tasks, but you're actually building relationships. You're connecting with people from all walks of life, from all corners of the globe, all brought together by freecash.com. So, whether you're a seasoned online earner or just starting out, the community at freecash.com is ready to welcome you, guide you, and help you succeed. With such a supportive community, you won't feel lost. Want to earn more? Freecash.com has an option for that as well. Let's delve into the realm of the referral program. This is a fantastic way to add a bonus to your earnings, and it's as simple as sharing a link. Here's how it works. You invite your friends, family, or any other potential users to join freecash.com using your unique referral link. Once they sign up and start earning, you get a piece of the pie. That's right, you earn a percentage of whatever they make from completing tasks. The beauty of this program is that there's no limit to how many people you can refer. Whether it's 10, 20, or 100 people, the earning potential is virtually limitless. And remember, your earnings from the referral program are not just a one-time thing. As long as your referrals keep earning, you keep earning. But it's not just about the money. It's about building a community of users who can help each other out, share tips, and make the most out of what freecash.com has to offer. In essence, the referral program is a win-win situation. You're helping others discover a great platform to earn some extra cash, and in return, you're rewarded for your efforts. It's like adding an extra layer of icing on your freecash.com cake. So start sharing your referral link today. Let your friends and followers know about this opportunity. Remember, the more you refer, the more you earn. Now let's summarize what we've learned today. We've taken a deep dive into the platform, a digital hub that offers a myriad of opportunities for online earners. From downloading apps to providing feedback on products and services, freecash.com is a wellspring of tasks that not only engage us but also reward us with coins. Remember, each task is a stepping stone, with most tasks simple enough to be completed within a span of 5 to 10 minutes. And don't forget, each completed task is a step closer to cash, with 1,000 coins equating to $1. We also explored the gaming angle of freecash.com. This isn't just about work, it's also about play. By playing games you can earn money while having fun, an appealing concept for many of us. Then we delved into the community aspect of freecash.com. It's not just a platform, it's a community. A large one at that, filled with users who stand ready to provide support and help complete tasks swiftly. And last but certainly not least, we discussed the referral program. Additional income can be made by referring others to the app. It's a win-win situation where you and your referees can both benefit. So what's the takeaway? Freecash.com is a reliable platform that offers multiple opportunities for you to earn online. With its instant cash outs and a wide range of tasks, the potential to grow your earnings is substantial. But remember, with great opportunity comes responsibility. Adhere to the rules of the platform. No multiple accounts or completing offers on someone else's account. Play fair and the rewards will be plentiful. So, are you ready to start your online earning journey with freecash.com? Get started today and watch your earnings grow.